Unit 4 study guide number 5 asks us to integrate 9x squared plus 20 over x cubed plus 4x. I cannot make u equal to the top. If I made u equal to the bottom, x cubed plus 4x, I get du is 3x squared plus 4. If I multiply this by 3, I get 9x squared, but this times 3 is not 20, so that's not going to work. So we're going to need to use partial fractions here. The numerator is not factorable, so let's leave that alone. Bottom, we can take an x out. We want to do our partial fractions. 9x squared plus 20 over x times x squared plus 4 equals a over b. This term is quadratic and can't be broken down anymore. A over b, that's a over x, sorry. Because that's quadratic, we've got a linear factor on the top. Multiply through by the common denominator. Gives me 9x squared plus 20 on this side. On this side, my x's cancel, so I get a times x squared plus 4. X squared plus 4's cancel, so I get bx plus c times x. We could cancel this whole term here out by plugging in 0. Gives me 20 equals 4a, so a is 5. There's no value I can plug in for x that's going to cancel out this term. So this is when we distribute. So I'm distributing my a, which is 5, and distribute x. I don't know b or c, so we're going to leave it as bx squared plus cx. And then looking at the individual terms, so I've got 9x squared on this side of my equal sign, and on this side I've got 5x squared plus bx squared. So if both sides are going to be the same, b has to be 4. So I have 5x squared plus 4x squared. On this side I don't have any x's, so on this side I shouldn't have any x's, so c has to be 0. So a is 5, so that's the same thing as 5 over x plus bx plus c, 4x plus 0 over x squared plus 4. This part we can integrate. This part we need to use substitute to integrate. Getting ahead of myself. U equals x squared plus 4, so du is 2x dx. I'm going to rewrite this so that it's 2 times 2 instead of 4, so that I have 2x dx. So this is 2 over u, which is 2 ln. So I've got 5 ln of x plus 2 ln of x squared plus 4.